What if I told you the reason you are not building wealth in 2025 is not bad luck? It's your money habits. In fact, 7 simple habits might be secretly keeping you broke right now. The good news, once you spot them, you can fix them fast. Let's break them down one by one. Let's kick it off with number 1. Living paycheck to paycheck even when you earn more. Here's the first trap. You start making more money, but your spending grows just as fast. This is called lifestyle creep. You get a raise, and suddenly you're upgrading your phone, car, and weekends out. The problem? When an emergency hits, you're back at zero, no savings, no buffer. How to break it? Save or invest at least 20% of every raise before you touch it. Pretend your raise never happened. Keep living on your old budget for a while. It's not about never enjoying life. It's about making sure your future self isn't stuck in the same paycheck-to-paycheck cycle. But here's the catch. If you don't control this now, earning more money won't magically fix it. Number 2 is using credit cards like free money. Credit cards are a great tool if you pay them off every month, but many people treat them like extra income. High-interest debt is one of the fastest ways to stay broke. A $2,000 balance at 25% interest can spiral into years of payments. How to break it? Use credit cards only for what you can pay off immediately. If you're already in debt, focus on the debt snowball method. Pay off the smallest balance first, then roll those payments into the next one. Cutting up your cards isn't always necessary, but controlling how you use them will free up hundreds, maybe thousands this year. Let's move to the next one. Number 3 is avoiding budgeting because it feels restrictive. Many people hate the word budget. They think it means giving up all fun. But here's the truth. A budget isn't a prison, it's a plan. And without a plan, your money disappears without you realizing it. How to break it? Try the 50-30-20th rule. 50% for needs, 30% for wants. 20% for savings and debt. Use simple tools like Mint or YNAB to track spending. Think of your budget as giving every dollar a job so your money works for you. But here's the catch. If you don't tell your money where to go, it will decide for you, and it usually goes somewhere wasteful. Number 4 is ignoring investments because they seem complicated. This one's huge. Many people avoid investing because they think they need a finance degree. But the cost of waiting is massive. Every year you delay is thousands lost in compound growth. Start small with index funds or ETFs through apps like Vanguard or Fidelity. Even $50 or $100 a month can grow into 6 figures over time. Automate contributions so you don't have to think about it. You don't need to time the market or pick the next Tesla. You just need to get in the game. Let's move on. Number 5 is keeping invisible expenses you don't notice. These are the little leaks in your wallet. Streaming services you don't watch. Unused gym memberships. Daily takeout coffee. Individually, they don't seem like much, but together, they can add up to hundreds per month. How to break it? Review your bank statements every month. Cancel subscriptions you don't use. Pick 1 or 2 luxuries you truly enjoy and cut the rest. It's not about living like a monk. It's about choosing what actually matters instead of spending out of habit. But here's the catch. Those small leaks can sink even the biggest financial ship if you ignore them. Number 6 is not building an emergency fund. Life happens, cars break down, jobs get lost, medical bills pop up. Without an emergency fund, even a small problem can send you into debt. How to break it? Aim for 3 to 6 months of expenses in a high-yield savings account. Start small. Save $1,000 as your first milestone. Having this cushion not only saves you money on interest, but also gives you peace of mind. You will not need to swipe a credit card or take out a loan when life throws a curveball. Let's move to the final habit. And finally, number 7, believing I'll start later. This is the silent killer of wealth. Waiting for the perfect time to save, invest, or budget never works. The longer you wait, the harder it becomes to catch up. How to break it? Take one small action today. Open a savings account, invest $50, or track your expenses for 1 week. Stop overthinking and start building momentum. Because here's the truth. Small actions today compound into massive results tomorrow. The moment you start breaking these habits, your financial life begins to change. It doesn't matter where you're starting from. What matters is that you start a day. If this video opened your eyes, give it a thumbs up. And subscribe for more smart money tips because small, consistent changes today can create massive freedom tomorrow. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.